I was traveling down the road feeling hungry and cold. I saw a sign saying food and drinks for everyone. So naturally I thought I would take me a look inside. I saw so much food, there was water coming from my eyes. Yeah, there was ham and there was turkey, there was caviar in long tall glasses with wine up to here. Then somebody grabbed me, threw me out of my chair. Said before you can eat, you gotta dance like Fred Astaire. You know I can't dance, you know I can't dance. You know I can't dance, you know I can't dance, I can't dance. I am a man of the road, a hobo by name. I don't seek entertainment, just poultry and game. But if it's all the same to you, then yes, I will try my hand. If you're as hungry as me, then I'm sure you will understand. Now wait a minute. Of course I can dance, of course I can dance. I'm sure I can dance, I'm sure I can dance, I can dance. I can dance. I really hit the floor. Oh, it feels good. Look at me dancing. I did a two-step, quick-step, and a bossa nova, a little Victor Sylvester, a Rudy Valentino. You should have seen me moving right across the floor. Hand me down my tuxedo, next week I'm coming back for more. I can dance, oh yes I can dance. Look at me dance on the floor, moving, I feel good. I can dance, I can dance, I can dance, I can dance, I can dance.